Alright guys, we have Southwest approaching. It's going to land. Oh, I got bit by a mosquito. Come Southwest. Guys, we have two Southwest going to take off. Lots of Southwest. Lots of Southwest. This is Southwest airline days. Like close up spotting, guys. Very loud. Alright, let's go back here. There's another one's gonna take off. Indiana? We have another Southwest landing. So many Southwest. This is Southwest day. We have Austrian, right? Where's it going? It's taking off. Okay. We have Southwest going to take off. Oh, we have Alaskan Airlines, United on the left side, taking off. All right, we have Southwest again. Shine the light for us. Austrian's going to take off as well. Austrian airline. After Southwest, it's gonna take off. Let's go back here. We have Austrian. Another one going to land. What we have here? Ooh. Hawaiian. We have Hawaiian Airlines. What's Hawaiian? Alright, Australian is getting ready for takeoff. Look at the smoke or from gas or look at that. The heats from the plane. Look at the big engine, it's huge. Look at the heat, man, look at the big engine, it's crazy. Alright, it's ready for takeoff. It's a big plane, man. Whoa. Alright, take off. There you go, it's taking off.
Alright, lift off and the clock has started. Yes, sir, reading you loud and clear.
And disappear the clouds. Oh, we have Delta and Southwest. Alright guys, we have Southwest, Skywest coming from Portland. Oh, it's American Airlines. Wrong plane. Alright guys, we have ANA 787 coming from Tokyo, Japan. Alaska, and we have Delta. Delta's going to take off. And Alaska. Alright, Delta's going to take off first. And the next is Alaska Airlines. Ready for takeoff. There we go.
I feel the liftoff. The clock has started. Roger.
Alaska. Alaska's next.